Hello friends, today we are talking about some important words in spoken school. So without wasting time, let's start the today's class quickly. First word is a class. It means a group of students who are taught together. For example, my favorite class is English. And second word है आपका teacher. It means a person who instructs the student. For example, Mr. Gupta is a very kind teacher. Next word है आपका student. Student means the person who is studying at a school or college. For example, there are many students in the school library. Next है आपका lesson. It means a single session of teaching or learning. For example, we learn about photosynthesis in today's science lesson. आपका homework it means the task assigned by teachers to be completed outside of school. For example, I have a lot of homework to do tonight. है आपका एग्जाम it means a formal test of knowledge and abilities. For example, I have an English exam next week. आपका subject it means the particular area of study. For example, uh, my favorite subject is English. Next है आपका टेक्स्ट बुक means you used that book uh, as a standard work for study. For example, I have a three type of note textbook. First one is English, second is a math, and third is a Hindi. नेक्स्ट है आपका रिपोर्ट कार्ड, a document that shows students grades. For example, my parents very happy with my report card this week. नेक्स्ट है आपका प्रिंसिपल. Principal means the head of the school. My principal name is Mr. Gupta.